Pull harder. What is it? Show me. Show Grammy. Oh my gosh, can we open it? Where do we open it? Right here.
Huh?
Right there. Do you see it? Open it. Open it, buddy. Where's your trains? Go get your trains. Where are they? Billy? Where do they go? Can you show Grammy where your trains go? Can you show me it in the video? Let me see. What are you doing? Oh, wow. Are you putting them inside? Does it go in there? Oh, good job. That's okay. Put it in. Where's all the little trains, Billy? The little tiny trains. Can you go get those? They're by the toy box. Ta-da! Do you love it? Okay, how do you lock it? Good job. And you even locked it. How do you carry it, Billy? How do you? Good job. Show me. Turn it around so I can see. Look. Yeah, we need more trains, huh? And where did you put your trains at? Yep, that's a styrofoam. Where did you put your trains? There you did, right there. I see them. Where's all your other trains, Billy? Huh? Go get your other trains. Go show me where they are. Go find your other trains. Find your other trains, buddy. That's okay. Okay, that's okay. Where's the other trains? Where? Whoop, whoop. Right there. Oh dear, that's okay. Let me see, buddy. 2 more? 3 more. Got that one right there. Got that one right there. Good job. Let Grammy see what you're doing. See how wonderful it looks, buddy. Wow, good job. Look, that's okay. Say bye, Grammy.
Huh?
Bye. Give besos. Thank you. Her too? Okay, give besos. Say hi, Mama. Madeline.